Hey guys.
I can't do his voice at all. Can't do his voice at all.
Hey, it's me, ALF.
Oh, that's even worse.
I love this. Hi.
Because what is his accent? He's got like, because the guy Paul is from Connecticut, so he's got like sort of like that New York like.
Hey, it's me. Hey, it's ALF. Hey, this is a great figure. It's got lots of articulations. I like to eat cats. Look at that in the mouth. Got a nice range of neck range there. It's pretty good. This is
That's
terrible.
pretty good.
This is going poorly. Look at that.
It's not
Comes
that
with a ton
bad.
of accessories. I love these. I want Burger King to bring these back.